Okay, so today we will talk about let's see how to make this bigger, the Picard Group, and then the Picard Variety. Okay, so imagine I have some topological space. This is just like a sheet of something, T. Okay, so there are points. I mean, yeah, there are points everywhere. Um, and I can attach um, uh, vector spaces at every point. Let's say I attach a bunch of R1s, okay? A bunch of one-dimensional vector spaces, okay? Like attach R1 here, attach R1 here, attach R1 here. Okay, so this is, of course, a fiber bundle. And because the fibers that I'm attaching are a bunch of R1s, a bunch of one-dimensional vector spaces, 1D vector spaces. This is called a line bundle. Let me actually type this. It's actually called a line bundle. Okay, now you can probably imagine that I can attach not just R1s. I mean, I can attach C1s, which are one-dimensional. I can attach like intervals such as like -1, 1, and I can attach them in different ways, right? I can attach them in different ways, twisting and so on and so forth. Okay, now we talked about moduli spaces before, like the triangle 1, 1 square root of 2, and the triangle like 3, 3, 3 square root of 2. They're actually just the same triangles up to isomorphism. Okay, so if I look at all possible isomorphism classes of line bundles on the space T, then I have a set of isomorphism classes. And now, if I take the if I take a binary operation, the tensor product, now I have a group. We call this the Picard group of T. PIC T. Okay, and there you have it. That is the Picard group. And for example, let's just say that we talked about this in moduli spaces, that all of these isomorphism classes could be parametrized, let's say with 13 parameters, okay? Just make up a number. Okay. In fact, if you try to plot this somehow, you would get a blob, a 13-dimensional object if you plotted all of these isomorphism classes. And we call this object a variety. Also known as this 13-dimensional object is called the Picard variety. Also, people use PIC to denote the Picard group and the Picard variety often. Yeah. Now you probably noticed that the Picard variety is also a moduli space. Picard variety, also a moduli space. And yeah, there you have it. That is the Picard group and Picard variety.